Okay, so hey guys, we put in some olive oil, we put in some lemon juice, and we put in some black pepper and some seasoning salt. And some chicken into these bags, and we mixed them all up. And I'm sorry, but is JGTUBE here. I have to wear my old shirt since it's not doing so well. And our chef is not me. It was my mom. She's making these. And look at these potatoes. Look how crispy they are. We're making potato skins. Look at that. Zooming in. Oh my gosh. Do you see the tiny salt particles on it? Oh my gosh. Yeah, so we did this. And we put them in bags. And we mixed them all up. So now she's going to do something with these potatoes. The potatoes. I don't want to take a picture of it. Yummy. It's a lollipop. Lollipop. Okay, she's pulling them over back onto the pan because she took out this right here. She took out this.
Yeah.
Racks. Yeah, I know. Sorry. She took out the racks and she's put them back on here.
Me and Macy got
She has her ditch. And hopefully, I think she's going to put her chicken in that later. And also in this one. Not to pick it up. And well, Jensen's going to take over from now, and he's going to show us what's going to happen. He's going to do it on me. Okay, so you guys seen, and they look delicious, like super delicious. And we have don't get Mama's face. Okay, we're back. Sorry. That was pretty short, but yeah. It seemed to you guys, but it wasn't short for me, so yeah. Oh my gosh. The crinkled potato. No, they can only see the top. It looks fine from the top. Look at the side. Show it from the side. No, the other side. Like, go like this. Turn it on that way. Yeah, now turn it. Ooh, that's a messed up potato right there. Okay, come on, Jason. What else do we need to do? Get a garbage bag. Okay, we gotta get I'll pause it. No! They need to see what a garbage bag is. This is what you do with it. Wow. Okay, I'm trying. Okay, you guys can come back now. It's a little disgusting. Here's the foot. No, I'm just kidding. Okay. So, what are we gonna do? What we gotta do next?
Got some
Chef
cupcakes
Mom.
from our brother's grocery.
We don't need to about that. We are cooking. This is 9. This is store cooked.
Store.
This is not a store. Look at me. The potatoes are not the store. I'm just kidding. You can eat the potatoes. Don't eat them too bad. That was a little too close. Bruh. Okay, come on. We gotta. So, she's doing something else. Come on, look. Over here, guys. Okay, I'm going to take over right now because Jensen can't see. Okay. Jensen's going to be over there if you can see him. And we're putting them into the pan. Right here. Now, you can, if you do it like this, you can. What are they called? They are called zucchini. I'm just kidding. Zucchinis. And we're going to marinate them, right? Saute them. That's what they're called. We're going to saute them with also some squash. I'm gonna squash the squash.
Here's a doggy Maggie.
Squash the squash.
Here's our doggy little Maggie.
I already showed him that.
Maggie.
Yeah, we got the
Maggie.
squash.
Maggie.
I don't know why we're not squashing the squash. We're cutting it.
You wanna look?
No,
Here.
Justin,
You wanna
you
hold?
gotta see it. Do you hear it?
You always wanna be careful with a knife.
Yes.
Last time Ditches tried to kill me.
Have parental visions. What's it called? Parental supervision. Even though I don't think they're superheroes, that they can see that far.
Last time Ditches tried to kill me with knives. And I hate knives. Remember that time when you kept on pulling out?
Bruh, I know. Be quiet. We don't need to talk about that. Oh, Jensen, look at it. Look at the seeds.
Seeds.
Right there.
You guys see them? Right there. Yeah.
I got a lollipop. I'm just kidding. It's a necklace. It's Minecraft. I'm gonna throw it at you guys, okay? 3, 2, 1. No, I'm kidding. Okay, now we're back. Okay. Just come over here. Okay, so this is what we got so far. We got this good chicken that we made. And we also got these potatoes. But these are the only normal potatoes. This is the weirdest potato I've ever seen in my life.
You guys
Okay,
see it?
and then we are sauteing some squash that we should have squashed instead of cut up. And we got some zucchini. But what are we missing? We have tomatoes. I love tomatoes. Got tomatoes, potatoes. We don't have tacos. We had tacos last night.
Tacos.
I'm serious.
You serious, Maisie? Maisie, you serious?
She said, yes, I will, Jaden. Yes, you do. Yes, you do.
You wanna lick it?
She's like, I see the camera. I see the camera. See the camera? You're famous, Maisie. You're
Yeah,
gonna be famous. You're gonna be famous. You gonna put their butt to the screen. Okay, we're back. Back to the deliciousness.
I want the potato. I want the
Oh
potato.
yeah, I know all of our subscribers. My mammal niece and our neighbors and my older brother and my other older brother.
Mm-hmm.
And now,
Up there, can you not see the tiny little house up there?
okay,
That's our neighbors.
Okay, so we're going to saute, and we got some potatoes, and we got the big fat chicken.
Actually, right here is actually a good spot.
And we're gonna put them in this right here.
The oven.
Here. Look inside. Actually, it probably gives a reflection.
Yeah.
Okay. Well,
Can you see my legs?
guys, I gotta show you something. Stay here, and Justin will keep showing you stuff.
So, guys, yeah, like we have the zucchini. I don't really like zucchini.
You've never tried it.
I did.
You've never tried it cooked.
Okay, Justin, I'm back. Look what I got, guys. I'm gonna be playing Roblox on this. Look at this computer. Wow. Okay, yep. And turn it. Okay, so I'm gonna use this for when I play Roblox sometimes. I might still play on here. And
On the tablet.
change my avatar, and I look sick. I'm telling you, wait a second. Stay and stop right here. Pause it. No, keep it like that. Keep it like that. Okay. Okay. They can come back now. I don't care.
Woo, we're inside our living room.
Okay, now we're going back.
Yay, into our kitchen.
Okay. Okay. Who's home?
No one.
No, we gotta look. Okay. Can't use that squash.
Squash.
Okay,
Julian,
guys.
can you put those?
Looks like a banana.
Yeah, I'll put them in the
extra-
fridge.
Put the extra ones in the fridge.
Okay. Listen, we can't show them our fridge. It may show violence. Not allowed to show them. They
You can look at my feet.
No. They can look at the fridge. They can't look in the fridge. Violence.
Seriously.
Yeah, we got the potatoes that got cut up. So we cut up the potatoes. And we're now shooting the inside.
We're going to pull out the whole inside, and we're going to pull out this, and pull out this, and pull out this, and pull out this, and this, and all of it. And our chef right here is going to be showing us this. Please point it up towards my face, just not hers, okay? You can look into my eye. Oh my gosh, dude, seriously. Okay, we're in the process. Look at it. Look what she's doing. Oh, they can't see it. Come over here. Okay, I'm gonna pop it out for you guys. There we go. It's over there. We had to switch real quick. We're making potato skins. And we're sauteing some zucchini and squash. And we have the chicken over there. Okay. Okay. Okay, guys. She's almost got it. Looks tasty. Ooh, yummy, 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 yummy. Ah, too close, too close, too close, too close. Ah. Yeet. Ah, we see your insides. Okay, I'm just gonna look at that. Oh my gosh. That looks so good. Can I just have a potato? Like that one. I just want to eat it. Come on. Like a small one. See, that's a small. No, the other one next to it is small. I just want to eat it. Just pop it in my mouth. Okay. We should record Brayden sometime.
Yeah.
They would laugh. I'm gonna bet.
You want a piece of potato? You want a piece of tomato?
Oh, Jensen, go see who that is.
Well, we have a phone call.
Who?
We have a.
I'll call her back in a second.
Oh, actually, we don't need to have an intermission. Okay, we're back, Sergeant. I'm just kidding. Okay. Potato. No, I like potatoes. I like potatoes. You can hold it, Jensen. I don't care. What are you going to do with that? Are you going to make mashed potatoes out of that stuff, Mama?
Out of this
Can I
stuff.
have it? Are you just going to throw it all away?
Give it a little to Macy.
Because I'll eat that.
Give
It
it
looks good. It's mashed potatoes, basically. Scoop potatoes, I mean.
Should we give it a little to Maisie? Yep. Come on, guys, let's go give it to me.
Oh, she got it.
She got it.
She it flopped off my finger and she took
Okay.
it. Well, that's good. Okay, guys, look.
Mmm.
So mushy.
Mmm.
She makes like the best mushiness, I'm telling you. It's not even mashed.
It's not even mashed.
Not mashed at all.
Nope. No.
Oh, I forgot. We got another zucchini. I'm just kidding.
Maisie's over here
Okay,
to see.
Jensen, they have to look. Zucchini. Bye-bye for now. I'm just kidding. Come back, guys. I don't want you to leave.
Maisie.
We can't leave until we do it. Now we have to keep focusing. No, we have to keep focusing. Okay, we're going to pause it right now and wait until she gets this done. Okay, we're not back yet. Okay, we're back, guys. Oh, it's a little blurry. Okay, we're back. And I'm going to take some of this. It's good. I'm telling you. Okay. Almost got it done. What's that for? Good to eat. Tastes like good. Buttery. But there ain't no butter.
Shut the front door. There's an air run.
Okay.
Let me check my phone.
You guys want to eat some? You guys took it out of my hand. Why did you take it out of his hand? My only hand. Okay. We gotta do something right now, guys. I'm sorry, but I have to go. Bye-bye. Okay. So, we're back, guys. Nope, we don't want to look at that. Let's zoom in. No, not on that. Maisie.
Hey, go get my phone.
Come here, Maisie.
What?
Maisie, come here. Maisie, come. Come on, Maisie. Hi, Maisie. Okay, I'll zoom out. Maisie, hey.
Yeah.
Good girl, Maisie. Do you want a potato?
Did you miss it?
You want a
Yeah.
potato?
Sorry.
Can you call him back?
Yeah.
Oh, potato, Maisie. Potato, Maisie. Potato, Maisie. No. Okay. I'll let you do it. But you, oh, look at me. And only my face. No, I'm just kidding. Not my only face. Get your butt up.
Can I want to sit down?
No.
Bye.
Or I'll do it. Okay. So, hey, guys. We're going to put in some bacon bits. We're going to put... Jensen, you gotta see the bacon bits.
All this cheese.
The bacon bits. Okay. So I'm gonna pause you guys right here. Okay, so guys, we got all the cheese on. Zoom in. Cheese. Now we're putting on the bacon bits.
Normally I would put on real bacon, but
Yeah, usually she'd put on real bacon, but we have,
I mean this is real bacon, but I would cook my own bacon.
yeah.
But tonight we're going faster out.
Yeah. Bacon bits. It tastes good. But real bacon's better. Everybody knows that because there's bacon grease
It's
all
real
over
bacon.
it.
Yeah, it's real bacon. It's just
Oh, we have no more. We have to stop, guys, because there's no more bacon. There's more bacon. I lied to you. I'm sorry. You should unsubscribe. No, I'm just kidding. Don't.
wait a minute.
Wait, what happened?
They didn't get me the right thing.
Bacon bits. Bum, bum, bum. We have to check something, guys, so wait a second. Okay, so hey, guys. We are back. She put all the bacon on, and we made sure that there were no gluten. There was no gluten allergies inside of this, because she has a gluten allergy. And we have some potato on this. I was talking about the chicken, sorry. Chicken! Look at this chicken. Oh my gosh. Chicken! Chicken! And guess what we're gonna have afterward? Duh, duh, duh. Duh, duh. Sorry guys. It's violence in here. No. No. Oh, look. Ranch. 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 Yes, we're going to have ranch with it. We are going to look at the floor because that's what we like looking at, right? No. Here's a quick sneak peek. Bet you guys didn't see that at all. I went too fast for you guys to see it. Okay. Okay, so now, what are we cooking? The chicken? What do we cook the chicken at?
400 for 20 minutes.
400 for 20 minutes.
You put those away.
Not 420. The degree is 400, and now she likes it. And for 20 minutes. Yeah. Okay. Oh snap! You saw it. Fresh brownies. No. Yep. Okay. It's back there. No. Sponsorship. Minute Maid. Okay. Macy, what are you doing right there? She found a potato. Okay. Oh my gosh, look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Oh my gosh. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Oh my gosh. Look at all of these. 18 minutes left. Okay, so I'm going to pause you guys right here. Okay? Okay. I'm going to take a picture of these because they look so good. Time to pause, guys. No! What are you? Who are you? Why are you? Bye-bye. This is the potato. It is the potato of life. It will glow and shine. The potato of life. Okay. Okay, that's good by me. And in the morning, be there. Every time I turn around, he's holly. Oh crap! I didn't pause. Oh snap! We got 16 minutes on. Sizzle, pop. Uh-oh. Getting very close to 24. The flashing lights will blind you. Okay, I'm sorry. But look at all the sizzle and popping. It's sizzling, it's popping, it's popping. And these look delicious, just saying. And sizzle, pop.
Give me that.
Okay, I will. Okay, we're back. 14 minutes left. I'll see you guys in 14 minutes.